Hey everyone, welcome back. We're here with another quick tip from our Don't Say series to help you elevate your English. Before we dive in, don't forget to check out the other videos in this playlist for more helpful tips to improve your fluency. Ready? Let's go. Today's phrase is good job. It's common, it works, but let's be real. It's a bit overused and sometimes it lacks the punch we need. So how can we make our compliments sound more impressive and thoughtful? Instead of saying good job, try these. You really nailed it.
Great job, George. You really nailed it.
You nailed it.
Your hard work is paying off. Keep it up.
All of our hard work is finally paying off.
Or, that was outstanding. You should be proud.
That was outstanding. You should be proud.
For more variety, you can also say, you've really outdone yourself this time.
You've really outdone yourself this time.
You've outdone yourself.
You've really outdone yourself this time, Sokka.
Or, that was incredible. Your effort really shows.
That was incredible.
See the difference? These alternatives are more specific and meaningful, showing that you're truly paying attention to the effort or success behind someone's work. These phrases make your compliments stand out, whether you're in a casual conversation or giving feedback at work. They'll help you sound more engaged and thoughtful. If you liked this tip, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And be sure to check out the other videos in the Don't Say series for more tips to help you sound more natural in English. Until next time, don't just say good job, give your compliments a boost. See you in the next one.